Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create email domain for website in Hostinger Hosting. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Hostinger Hosting and we are in website list. So this is our domain and then you see multiple options. So click on dashboard. So we are going to create domain email or professional email. So we are in dashboard. Now you see multiple option and then you see free email. So click on it. Now click on this section. Now click on it. Now you see all instruction. So you can create email. So we added email name and password and then click on create. Now you see email creation done. If you want, you can configure apps and device. So it's up to you. And then you see two options, recommended app or browser. If you want, you can click on skip. If you want, you can create another mailbox. Now you see email is created and then you see mailbox Hostinger webmail. So click on it. So we are going to access it. So you can add your email address and password and then click on login. So in this way you can access your email. So you can access all your email you will receive or send. So you can add email address and password and then click on login. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.